let's try and do my hair part. Hell, I don't know, because baby, I am a tri-stylist, not a hairstylist. And I've been trying to learn how to do hair for a minute now, so let's just see how this goes. And so for today's hairstyle, we are doing a half up, half down with a half wig that I got from the beauty supply store. And y'all, why is it not easy to find a half wig at the beauty supply store? It's like the only place you can find a good, decent half a wig these days is on Amazon and TikTok shop. It's cool. I'm definitely young enough to be with the times, but I'm also old enough to know that I like to get things on demand. Baby, I just want to go in the store, pick it up, purchase it, and come on back. It's bad enough I'm almost 40 and don't know how to do hair. Well, what you think waiting 2-3 business days gonna do to me? Anxiety straight through the roof. And next thing you know, I done got tired and wore out, overstimulated, and don't even want to do my hair. And then next thing you know, I'm right back to square one, trying all over again. I'm probably the longest running beginner there is. Trying to learn how to do hair and makeup. It's giving forever newbie. But I'm still your favorite tri-stylist, so if you made it this far into the video, you already know the drill. Drop a few hearts in the comments. I don't care what color they are. And don't forget to let me know how I did on this hair, y'all. And until next time, see you later. Bye.